What is the best advice for managing long-term sinus and allergy issues?
My best advice would be to see an ENT. Make sure that there's nothing structural that could be addressed first. Structural issues are going to be the easiest to fix because a lot of times it's a quick procedure and then it's done. And then afterwards, if there is structural issues and they've been fixed, or there is no structural issues, then being on a good medication regimen, including saline rinses, some sorts of nasal sprays at times, and sometimes allergy medication, can be really effective of keeping that inflammation down.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.